What's up guys, Sagi here and welcome to another Tech Gear Talk. Today we're going to check out a great bag from Tenba called the DNA 15 backpack. Now this is a beautiful camera and everyday carry bag, and I'm still doing a bunch of camera reviews. I'm always looking for different camera bags that are versatile and they can accommodate different DSLR and mirrorless setups. And I also usually carry a drone with me, so let's take a look at what this bag can do. Overall, this is a super well-made bag. It combines the features of a camera bag with what I'd be looking for in an everyday carry. It has a removable padded insert that can fit a mirrorless camera with 3 to 4 lenses, or even a full DSLR with 2 to 3 lenses, and that's up to a 70 to 200. The DNA 15 backpack has an expandable main compartment, and it has a padded laptop sleeve that can hold laptops up to a 15-inch MacBook Pro. My goal with every product review is to give you an overview of the features of the product, but in a way that relates to real life use. And if you find it helpful, please let me know by giving it a like and then hitting the subscribe and notification buttons for more camera bag and tech reviews. I'll also put links in the description to where you can get this bag. And if you end up using those links, you help support my channel for free and then help me create more content for you. So I thank you in advance. Alright, so let's start off by talking about the look of this bag. I love the sleek and elegant look of this bag. It doesn't really look like a traditional camera bag, but more like a really nice bag that can manage your camera gear. The material that I'll tell you more about later has a really nice sheen to it. It feels soft and durable at the same time, and it's a really nice balance. Now the look of the back of the bag is also really nice, and later on we'll get into more of the features, but if you just take a look at the straps and the padding, everything here still looks really high end. Now this bag only comes in this color, which is a really nice dark graphite. Let's talk a little bit about utility and access. So this bag can be set up in 2 different ways, and essentially this main compartment is split into 2 sections. One is accessible by using this zipper on the front, and the other by unclipping this awesome magnetic clip called the Fidlock. Then you can just unroll the expandable quiet hook and loop closure. Now the DNA 15 backpack comes with a padded camera insert. Now this insert can be used in the bottom of the bag, which is how I used it. And I like the easy access and the fact that this compartment doesn't fully open, so I never have to worry about something falling out of my bag. Now, if you want this bottom compartment for something else, you can take this padded insert out and then put it in through the top of the bag. And you can see that it will fit perfectly right here. I do want to mention that the divider between the 2 compartments is removable. So if you just want a single large compartment, you can just remove it and then you'll have access to the entire bag both through the zipper and through the roll top. Now moving on, this front flap unzips and you can see there's an awesome accessory compartment here. And this is a great spot for your phone, for an external power source, filters, your keys, additional camera batteries, memory cards, anything like that. And then on the outside of the bag, there is still one more large zipper compartment. Because of the roll top design, the bag can significantly increase the capacity by unrolling the top compartment and then extending the top strap. So rolled down, the bag is about 17 liters, and with this rolled all the way up, it's about 21 liters. Now what's great about this is that I can always make this bag just the right size for what I have without having to carry an oversized bag. Also, because of the roll top design, the bag remains water repellent even when it's extended, which is a great feature. Now I really like this Fidlock magnetic clip. It's a super clever and secure design, and you can easily unclip it with one hand, and then you simply secure it by holding one part of the clip next to the other, and the magnet immediately snaps shut. So basically there's no way to make a mistake about whether it's locked or not, because as soon as these magnets get close to each other, wham, they just immediately snap together. And I've tried really hard to pull them apart. Nope. But then again, to undo it, I can just slide it to the side, and then if I want them back together, I was waiting somewhere and I was fidgeting with this a lot because it's just kind of fun to play with until I got some dirty looks from people, so I had to stop. Okay, let's move on to organization. Now, I appreciate that there is a divider between my camera gear and the rest of the stuff. This way I don't have to worry about my other stuff, my non-camera gear, somehow falling through the bag and ending up with my camera or my lenses or anything like that. All right, let's start out by looking at the padded insert. So there are all these dividers that come with it, and essentially you can set it up to house, like I said, a DSLR with 2 to 3 lenses or a mirrorless camera with 3 to 4 lenses. And this will fit a 70 to 200. And I also found that I could easily pack my drone and remote together with a full DSLR and a 24 to 70 2.8. Now the dividers are nice and padded and definitely protect your gear and prevent different components from banging against each other. Now moving back to the bag, this main compartment is really big, especially if you extend the roll top all the way. Now there are times where I'm testing multiple cameras and I'll actually put my drone in the main compartment so that all my cameras can stay in the padded insert. Now the large compartment also has these 3 additional small pockets where you can put some additional items. As far as the laptop compartment in the back, you can fit up to a 15-inch MacBook Pro. Personally, I prefer smaller laptops, so I have a 13-inch Dell XPS. The laptop compartment is really nice and it's padded both on the back and on the portion that's facing the bag itself. Now this roll top compartment does not have padding on the front or on the side, so I wouldn't use it for photography or video equipment without additional padding. For my drones, I always buy these small carrying cases so I don't have to worry about them getting damaged. Again, I like the fact that the main compartment is separated with a divider from where the camera gear is, so I don't have to worry about my personal items here damaging my equipment. Alright, so let's take a look at this front pocket. We can unzip this first zipper and then we get to the really big accessory compartment. And this is great for like the million little things that you need to carry with you on a shoot or on a daily commute. There are 2 elastic compartments and a larger zipper, but I wish there was a smaller compartment for memory cards. I end up putting them in the business card holder and they've never come out of there. There's also a bonus of being able to see that they're there. And my guess is that Tenba is assuming that you're being a responsible photographer or videographer and you're using a card wallet. And then there's also a quick access zippered compartment on the front. Alright, next I want to talk about the construction, build quality, and comfort of the DNA 15 backpack. Now this pack is really well made. From the quality of the exterior material to the stitching, padding, the hardware, it's really impressive. Now first I want to start out by talking about the outer shell. It's made of 600 denier water repellent helix fabric, which I already said looks great, but it's also super durable. And I love the reinforced stitching. I have zero worries about this bag tearing, and this bag has held up to some serious abuse. At the bottom we have a TPU coated abrasion resistant body armor base panel. And this helps protect the bottom of the backpack. Now the weather resistance continues to the zippers. The camera pocket uses YKK number 8 inverse coil and the front pocket uses number 5s. The zipper pulls are nice and big and the zippers operate really smoothly even when the bag is packed. Something that I noticed about the construction of the bag is that it holds its shape even when it's fully unrolled. And this makes it really easy to pack because I don't have to worry about it collapsing on itself. There's also a piece of material right here at the top, both on the front and the back, and it keeps the shape of the roll top compartment and it makes it really easy to roll and unroll it. Now, I'm extremely happy with the build quality of the bag. I've had it for a couple of months now and I've taken it out on several day trips. Now, when I test equipment, I'm not particularly careful with it because I want to see how it holds up to real life use. But I just wiped this bag down and it pretty much looks brand new. Alright, let's move on to the back of the bag. We'll start out with the shoulder straps that you can see are attached with about 1.5 inches of Hypalon. This is part of Tenba's Pivot Fit system, which is designed to automatically adjust to different body types, and then it gives each person a more custom fit. Now as far as comfort, these straps are awesome. They have a nice structure to them and they're soft and firm. On the inside, you'll see ventilating 3D air mesh so that the straps still allow air to flow through even when they're against the body. Now the same 3D air mesh is used on the back of the bag, on each shoulder blade and on the lower back area. And there are also these large airflow channels. So again, the bag is not flat against your back. And this makes a huge difference on those long, hot days and makes the bag super comfortable to wear. There's a top handle, which makes it really convenient to quickly grab the bag when the shoulder straps might not be accessible. And finally, most of the hardware is anodized aluminum with a nice matte black finish, which gives those areas some cool tactical accents. And the rest of the clips are made of a lightweight plastic. I want to talk a little bit about some other important features that this bag offers, and I think it's those small details that end up making a big difference. First, I want to talk about the sternum strap. It's pretty straightforward. We have a nice solid clip, but there are a few clever details here. So first, both sides of the sternum strap can slide up and down on this channel so that you can position the strap at whatever level feels most comfortable to you. There's also an elastic band on the back, which keeps things nice and tight. You will see that each strap has these accessory loops so that you can clip any type of pouch or accessory that you want to have easily accessible. Alright, let's move on to the side pockets. On the one side, we have a mesh pocket with an elastic band that will hold a nice sized water bottle. On the other side, we have a reinforced side pocket with a security strap. And this lets you carry a tripod or even a small slider. The next feature I want to talk about is the waist belt, which is pretty nice. It doesn't have any padding, but it's wide enough to easily take the weight off your shoulder. And I love the fact that it's removable since most of the time I don't use it and I'd rather not have it attached. The bag also comes with a weather wrap rain cover, and it's completely removable and reversible. So one side is silver and it's designed to reflect the sun, and the other side is black for those Mission Impossible stealth approaches. Now, whether you end up using it or not, I just love the fact that Tenba included this rather than making you have to buy it as an add-on. And that's what I expect from a premium bag. And the last feature I want to talk about is the luggage strap that lets you slide the backpack on top of rolling luggage. Alright, so the Tenba 15 DNA backpack is an excellent camera backpack and also an everyday carry bag. The size is exactly what I need when I'm testing cameras or using it as a one-bag travel backpack. The roll top design is modern and elegant, and I super appreciate having the flexibility to add capacity and at the same time keep my bag water resistant. This is an outstandingly comfortable bag. The shoulder straps and the back of the bag are nicely padded and were great even with a fully packed bag being carried all day. So if you're looking for a versatile, durable, and comfortable camera and everyday backpack, give the Tenba DNA 15 backpack a look. It currently retails for right under $200, and I'll put links in the description to where you can pick it up and at the same time help support my channel for free. I really hope I was able to give you a good overview of the Tenba DNA 15 backpack. If I did, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, tweet it, share it, and if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe and notification buttons. You can always find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Tech Gear Talk. You know what I always say, buy it nice or buy it twice. Good luck and see you soon.